back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing, but a very, very little one. These are filters for the Osmo Pocket. Now these Osmo Pocket camera filters, I did get on Amazon. I'll put a link down below so you can find them. Now again, I am a Amazon affiliate, so when you click on that link, and if you buy something, then we do get a few pennies per purchase. So I thank you very much for doing that. Not a requirement, I'm just saying. Okay, so let's open this up. All right. So it did come packaged very nicely. See if we can get this open. Oh, they're in there really good. There we go. Let's see, we have filters for Osmo Pocket. It has assembly instructions and disassembly instructions. Essentially it says you put them on and you take them off. So, what did I get? I got the ND4, ND8, and ND16. Two different types, and I'll explain those in a little bit. But essentially, what you do is you pop this open. Somehow, I got to figure that out. There we go. There's a little tab on the one side. Pop that up. And they are in there pretty good. So, nice job with that. Now, the way that you put these together, you just very carefully pop these out. Bing. And they are magnetic on the back side. And on the lens itself, it has metal there. So all you do, you just line it up and it sticks right there. And this is a polarizing lens. So this turns around until you get exactly what you want. Gets the reflections off the screen and everything. Pretty cool. Really cool stuff. So we're going to go out and we're going to have a little test and see what we have. So here we are outside in a very bright sun, as you can see by my glasses. And of course you see the blue sky behind me, you see the greens behind me. And of course if I move my hand, you know, it's pretty sharp. It doesn't really have that much of a motion blur to it. But if I put this on, now this happens to be a ND16. Now even though ND16 is the highest filter that I got, or the darkest filter, it's actually a medium range filter because you can get 32s and 64s, so kind of a medium. So I'm going to put this on, watch the camera adjust, and see if it makes a difference in the background. There we go, just popped it right on, and it's adjusting a little bit, or I did adjust a little bit, so at least I can see in my screen. Sorry, I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at the screen just to see what the difference is. It looks like the blues are a little bit bluer, and the greens are a little bit greener. Yeah, son of a gun, this thing works. And also, looks like I have a little more of a motion blur there. So what that does, it kind of slows down, or I forget how it does, but anyway, it changes the speed of the camera, the speed of the lens, speed of the shutter, although this doesn't have a shutter per se, it's electronic. But it does change the speed of the shutter, because it's a little darker, and it kind of forces it to pop open the iris and all that good stuff. So there's a lot of stuff in the background that you really don't need to know, other than filters are good. Okay, so that's about it. Let's get back inside because it is kind of hot out here. So let's get inside and we can end this video and with a few comments. So thank you for coming along with me for the unboxing of Osmo Pocket filters. Again, I'll have a link down below. But until then, I I'd really appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.